Hi, Anna. So just quickly, a little bit of feedback on this. Overall, this is a very, very strong, rough draft. There are a couple of sentence issues, so some of those first tier issues that we need to deal with. We do have examples here of both comma splices and sentence fragments. So please make sure that you're going through double checking, making sure that you've got subjects and verbs all in the right places, that you're using the punctuation correctly as well. One other thing I kind of wanted to point out to you is that in general, in American English, currently we use the word they as a gender neutral pronoun instead of the word it. So you're going to want to go back and double check those as well. That's just one of those, weird English things. So, and that is something that is specifically designed for, American English. So that is about it. The only other thing I wanted to point out, just making sure that you're picking the right words for things. But right now, this is a very, very strong first draft. Great job.